central Larimer County until 7:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stowe Prairie, Glen Haven, Pennock Pass, Massonville, and Horsetooth Mountain. This includes the following additional locations: Box Prairie, Upper Buckhorn along County Road 44H, Moonan's Way, Stringtown Gulch, Big Bear, Lower Buckhorn on County Road 27 above Massonville, Crystal Mountain, Monument Gulch, Lower Pingree Park Road, The Retreat, and Storm Mountain. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.